can get the lockdown from different positions. Like for example, let's say he's passing my guard, right? Right here. And let's say I get here, then let's say maybe I get a collar right here. Okay? So now maybe I get up here. Now look. You get the what I call a crappy hook. And then look. Move here. And then there's a lockdown right there. Grab that foot. Pull them backwards and extend. Right here. So if you have flappy feet, it's going to be problematic for you to lock anything. It's like a choke that you can't tighten. It's not going to work. This left foot has to be pulling and toes back. So as it extends, it hooks that foot. The right one, toes back, wedges right into there. And your knees pinch. And you have this leg here. I don't want to be all here, all loose. I don't have anything. Even here, I don't have anything. Because he's gonna loop it. Okay? And I don't want to be in that situation. So we're here, 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 and then this is the truck, okay? Now we go back, he goes to his knees. Look to the left. Okay, look. Let's add hooks. I unhook, my right hook is here. Look. And I turn away from him so that my left foot can hook under his right. Grab his foot. Sat, and then I extended that foot right there. Okay? Because I have him pretty locked down. Because that's what I want. Which is why it's called locked down. It's not called a loose something. Locked down. You pinch. Because look here, you can just tap him just by pulling his leg out of his hip socket here. And keep this leg here. Because then you can just grab this foot right here and get his heel to the rib. Butterfly your wrists. And then just push them away. And you'll feel the heel going into your rib. But that is horrible, feeling that. Okay. But the point is, this is the truck. Watch this. Look. Maybe you have a turtle position here. Hold it up. Inserted the hook. Look, I'm floating, but I'm getting my right foot in the lockdown position here. And he knows I'm gonna pull him back, and he keeps leaning to his left. So look, I'm gonna roll over my right shoulder, take your left shoulder. It's the same entry. Okay, so we're right back in the truck. Actually, turn. So maybe you're here, insert one hook, hold it this way here, and then just control that leg so that I can now pull him in. Get here, fake him out, grab that foot, vaporize him, quad tripper, wrist lock, here, back take, body lock, and finish. So look, so what we're gonna do is this. Turn your head to the logo. Insert one hook, and you're gonna push that hook all the way through as I begin to turn and face away this way here. So you see how I have, we'll call it the twister hook here, and then you get my left foot under his foot, grab his shin, and push myself backwards as my left hand extends to the left. And extend it. And finish. Okay. So you get into the truck. What you do from here is completely up to you. What you saw, this is the same position as we were in on the back. goes his knees. You hook here, and grab here. It's good to have your hand here, and I'm just gonna roll myself this way. We'll finish. Grab it right here, extend. That's still locked. Hand up, and push the wrist down. Wrist locks will work when you have the elbow locked from here. You have a wrist lock. If he's fighting it, creating tension, goes this way for a shoulder lock. Up, hand, here, pull it, here, extend, or go back. To the back. Okay, so all I want you guys to do is just get it from the turtle. Here, twister hook, lock down, grab the shin, right hip, and lock, and pull this. Pull, extend. Put that arm, lock that wrist. Okay, so just from the turtle lock there. 1, 2, 3. Little turtle.